In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and send a LinkedIn recommendation, a gesture that not only helps bolster the professional profile of someone you've worked with, but also strengthens your connections on this powerful networking platform. Fortunately, the process is straightforward and can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to LinkedIn's website. Upon arrival, you'll be prompted to sign it in. You have the option to do this quickly by signing in with Google or by using your LinkedIn account details. Occasionally, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA for additional security. This is a simple step to ensure that you're not a robot attempting to access the site. Once you're signed in, head over to the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll type in the name of the person you want to recommend. This process is just like looking for a friend on social media platforms, quick and easy. After you've found the person you're looking for, click on their profile to view it in full. You'll see a range of options related to interacting with their profile, but what we're interested in is the More button that you'll find right next to the Message button. Clicking on More will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, one of which is Recommend. Select this option to begin drafting your recommendation. Now, LinkedIn will guide you through a series of questions to help you craft your recommendation. These prompts are designed to make your recommendation meaningful and personalized. You'll be asked about your relationship to the person and in what capacity you've worked together. Take your time here to reflect on what stands out about this individual's professional abilities and character. Once you're satisfied with your recommendation, it's time to send it off. You'll see a Send button at the bottom of the page. Clicking on this button will dispatch your recommendation to the person you've written it for. They will then have the chance to review and accept it, after which it will be visible on their LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of writing and sending a LinkedIn recommendation. This simple yet impactful act can make a significant difference to someone's professional life, and it only takes a few minutes of your time. Remember, recommendations on LinkedIn are not just about endorsing someone's skills. They're about sharing your professional insights about a colleague in a way that can help shape their career. So take the opportunity to support and uplift your network by leaving thoughtful recommendations. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your LinkedIn profile.